Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and add music in Lark Player. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to start using the Lark Player here and using or playing music via the app, well, this one is quite easy. Now, first thing we want to do here is you want to go open up Google Play Store here and look or search for Lark Player. Now let's go and just search for it really quickly here. You can go and select this and click on install. Now installation may be take quite a while here depending on how fast your internet connectivity is, but once your internet is, or once you have this downloaded and installed, you go and click on open. Now in here, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and just basically click on the language that you want to use and click on get started. Now, from here, go ahead and just click on allow. So allow Lark Player to access music and audio on this device. That's a required one. You can go and just choose allow all for the access photos and videos on this device. And you can go and just allow notification if you want to. Now, the thing with this one is by default, if you have any music already downloaded on your device here for offline use, it will automatically be detected. So as you can see right now, I already have a bunch of music or a bunch of music already have or MP3 files already downloaded in my device here. They will automatically play. Now you can go and just tap on them. So if you want to play that specific music, now you can go ahead and allow. So yeah, so you can go and just start hearing them. Now, if you want to download music here, you need to download them from official sources, MP3 files if you need it. Just an example, I'm going to download this copyright music here, or copyright free music. So we have this one. Let's go and click on download. Just go ahead, click on download here. So it's now being downloaded. Now the file has now been downloaded. Let's go open up the Lark Player here. Let's go ahead and reload this. As you can see right now, you've just downloaded the music. It's now automatically added. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.